Hello scrappers! The video you are about to watch was filmed a long time ago in a garage far, far away when scrap prices were much higher and I was drunk like 90% of the time, and I don't even remember filming half of these, so I'm seeing them for the first time too. So sit back and enjoy one of my older videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Look at that, guys. Another beautiful day for scrapping. Today I'm scrapping this. I work at a print shop, and the boss asked me if I wanted to scrap this. I, of course, said yes. This is an anti-static static eliminator. You would put this on your conveyor belt, and as the paper's going underneath, it would pull the static electricity out of it, and this wire just gets grounded. And it just pull the static electricity out of it. We don't really have a use for it. We got pretty modern machines, and I already looked into selling this, and these don't really sell. So I'm going to scrap it. It's got all these little very sharp electrode points, and I believe this rod is copper. But I already tried and I pulled one out, so these electrode points do come out and they stick to a magnet, so I'll be pulling those out. And this looks like stainless, but if it is, it's 400 grade stainless. It's been out in my garage for like a year. There's no rust on it, so it's got to be stainless. Alright, let's get a scrapping here. Got some flatheads. I absolutely hate flathead screws because of this. And this. You have to go slow with them. Absolutely hate flatheads. You almost always have to do them by hand. Or at least start them by hand. Guy who invented the flathead, you're a jerk. Well, plus back then it was probably the first fastener they had. Yeah, and this anti-static bar, this was or static eliminator. This is some pretty old technology. The machines they got now don't even make static. So stuff like this is pretty much obsolete. Alright, I got the brackets off. I'm guessing those are just tin. Does this come off? It has to. These slide. I bet this end comes out. I have never scrapped one of these before in my life. Ouch! That was awesome. There we go. That came off. I bet this just pulls off. Boink! That's got to be 400 grade stainless, because there's no rust on it, and it's kind of hard to bend. There we go. Now I just got to get this other one off. Yeah, it's pretty thin steel, but it should be a lot harder to bend than that. So I'm guessing it's 400 grade stainless, along with this and this. Now I believe I'm left with a copper rod with all these sharp things sticking out of it. I don't want to get poked by them, so I'm going to pull them all out. They come out pretty easy. And the magnet sticks to them too, so I just know I'm going to reach into my bucket and end up getting stabbed with one of these little razor sharp little buggers. I'm going to pluck them all out. Just imagine one of those raking across your arm. No, thank you. And these will end up in my bucket. I got a magnet. I'll pick these up. Magnet sticks to these. They're all out. No more Sharpie things. How does this come off? Because this looks like some pretty clean copper. Ooh, it broke. Is this one just porcelain too, or plastic? Yep. How about this end? Heh. That was easy. Looks like copper. It's not copper though. It's weird. It's like, let's see if it breaks. Yeah. Oh, there's copper in it though. Copper shell and copper inside. So that's copper bearing. And this is number 2 insulated. It's not that thick of a wire, and plus it looks like it'd be almost like television coax, where it'd be a pain in the butt to strip. But it got this nice brass end on it, where it would couple to your grounding point. You see, it's got this plastic inside with the copper over it. Looks too hard to strip. So I guess we're done. That's it. That was easy. So I got some, tear this out. Got some copper bearing. Barely any of that. Piece of brass. Doesn't even register. I got some 400 grade stainless. A little over ½ pound. Brass. Copper bearing. Sticky stainless. Stuff the magnet sticks to. And we got some number 2 insulated, about ½ pound. See, 0, about ½ pound, and a little pinch of 10, about ½ pound. Not too bad, not too bad. A couple minutes worth of work, made a couple bucks. Cleaned my garage out a little bit. So, just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey, Copper!